the defendant's sentence is modified as follows. As to count 1 in case number 199-103-042, first-degree murder of Hae Min Lee, sentence of the court will be life to the Division of Correction with all but time served suspended.
Today, a judge officially reduced Adnan Syed's sentence, saying he is a changed man after 2 decades in prison for the murder of Hae Min Lee. Fox 25's Rebecca Pryor takes us through the legal developments.
Yeah, this decision was not about his conviction or debating the evidence in his case. Instead, Syed is essentially being let out on good behavior thanks to a new juvenile justice reform law. Tonight, both sides of this case thankful. A years-long legal saga is now coming to a close.
Free, but not found innocent. Today, a Baltimore City judge officially modifying Adnan Syed's life sentence to time served and enforcing 5 years supervised probation.
I am mindful that Mr. Syed requested unsupervised probation, but given the relief that this court has already granted on these extraordinarily serious and tragic charges, I believe I've shown more consideration to him than anyone could have expected.
Although City State's Attorney Ivan Bates reinstated his conviction, Syed was 17 at the time his ex-girlfriend Hae Min Lee was murdered, allowing him to request a sentence reduction under the state's new Juvenile Restoration Act. Following a lengthy hearing where the Lee family argued Syed has never taken responsibility for his actions.
Adnan Syed failed 7 out of the 11 factors, and therefore the judge should not grant the motion at this time.
The judge ultimately deciding the defendant is not a danger to the public. In a statement, Bates calling it a just outcome, and Syed's attorneys stating he was a model candidate for a sentence reduction. Although they disagree with the decision, the Lee family thanking the court for honoring a victim's right to be heard.
The family understands the court's decision and respects it.
Moving forward, Syed's release now restricted to a new set of rules. Travel between D.C., Maryland, and Virginia will be allowed for work. Anywhere else, he'll need to ask permission from a probation officer. At the end of what's become a years-long legal saga, the judge leaving Syed with a warning.
I hope, Mr. Syed, and I trust that this will be the last time we see each other. Otherwise, I don't have to tell you the amount of time that's hanging over your head.
So unless he violates his probation or he commits another crime, Syed will not spend any more time behind bars. Following the 23 years he's already served, Syed has always maintained his innocence. In Baltimore City, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
Syed's conviction was originally vacated in 2022 after former City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby claimed DNA from the scene that didn't match Syed's. Last month, Ivan Bates' office pulled the motion to vacate. Bates says there were false and misleading statements from Mosby's office. Legal experts say it's difficult to charge Mosby or any other prosecutor with misconduct in a case like this, but she could face legal challenges related to libel or slander.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.